How does Capital One shopping works? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how it works. So for this, just simply search for Capital One shopping on your browser. Then just open up the first link that you will see on the search results. In case if you are looking for Amazon coupon codes, then just open up this one, or for the travel and experiences this one, and for hotels this one. But in this particular video, we will just open up the main link and see how it all works. So this is where it will take you. Now over here you can go to the option of filters at the right hand side and select different categories according to your needs and requirements, and also you can choose the different merchants. Just select the filters according to your needs and requirements, and after that the deals will appear according to your particular preference. You can also search for products or brands on the search bar. But in this video, let's see how we can save $31 while purchasing Air Jordan 1 Mid-Say. So just simply click over here and this is where it will take you. Over here, just simply select the size. Currently just one size is available. And after that, just add it to your bag by editing the location and all the other stores and details. And you will be able to purchase it at a cheaper rate. And you can also use the code CYBER while checking out in order to get 25% extra off. So Capital One basically gives you different deals and help you find different deals on the internet. You can also add the extension of Capital One in order to save money while purchasing different products. So this is how Capital One works. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.